In this video, we're going to walk through the process of creating a new sheet, loading drawing border and title blocks, and copying view frames. Let's get started! Alright, first things first. Let's explore how to create a new sheet. You've got a couple of options here. One way is to head over to the Sheet tab and group, then click on Add Sheet, and a new sheet appears with a default plan view. Alternatively, you can add a new sheet from the section where the pages at the bottom are sorted. Just click on the symbol or right-click and add a new sheet. Now that we've got our sheet, let's learn how to give it a different name. Navigate to the Sheet tab, open up Sheet Properties, or simply right-click in the Drawing area. Under General and Page Name, you can now rename your sheet to what you want. Now, every sheet needs a drawing border, right? Let's add one. Drawing borders can be loaded via the Sheet Properties. If you're bringing your own border, make sure the file starts with the prefix board_. Liftdesigner needs that hint to find the file. For title blocks, go one row above and select one. Same deal here. If it's your own title block, kick off the file name with title_. There are different title blocks for traction elevators and hydraulic elevators, shortened rope and height. Moving on, let's copy view frames from one sheet into another. We recommend to load the sheet LD Typical View for your elevator, which already contains a couple of views that you can copy. Select the view frame and now you've got a couple of options. Copy and paste either via the Start tab or the good old Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Thanks for watching!